2003 Kenworth T2000 with dual 120-gallon tanks, C15 475 horsepower cat engine, dual 120-gallon tanks, virgin tires, outside aluminum wheels, tight AG 200 suspension, dual exhaust, this truck has a 13-speed transmission and it's in great condition. Go ahead and take a look at the engine. Again, a C15 cat. Let's go ahead and hear it start up. Truck has tall, truck has low profile 24.5s with outside aluminum wheels. These are virgin tires. Again, air slide fifth wheel, polished tanks. I mean, just a beautiful truck. Take a look at the inside here. Again, a 13-speed transmission. Has all the gauges, cruise control jake, suspension dump. Truck shows it's getting 7.04 miles per gallon. If you'd like any additional information about this truck, feel free to give me a call at 877-263-5665 or check out my website, thetruckadvisor.com. Thank you.